living that hard life is not so much as living the life of dedication to the music.
It is absolutely stunning. So we're just coming into Omis and I'm really excited because I've been chatting to these guys on Instagram called Coast Riders MTV. And they have a little thing going on in Omis and the trails look really incredible, the mountains look awesome. And they've offered to take us on a shuttle day and a pedalling day, and yeah, I'm just sort of overwhelmed by their kindness so far. They've hooked us up with a guy that can give us some knowledge on anchorages and some sailing spots inside the harbour, and bending over backwards for us in terms of hospitality, so hopefully we can return the favour in some way. Yeah, it's just awesome. I'm super looking forward to seeing what the trails are like here and sailing to our first biking destination. Woo! We're nearly here, we're just away to get anchored. Look at this place, so it's absolutely stunning. The mountains are incredible. We can't back them.
Yeah. How's this for an awesome anchorage? Just pulled up, got the anchor down. Now we're ready to go for a swim. Join us.
So it's our first day riding in Omiš. I think that's how they were saying it last night. These bloody names in Croatian, I'm terrible for getting them wrong. Omis. However, we had a very calm anchorage last night. I believe we're riding over there. So that's going to be a big day. I'm really stoked, excited to see what's going on. It's our first time getting the bikes in Decky Digger, so.
Woo! We're going to need a bike rack for this thing.
Well, this is definitely a first.
See, the bike's fit. Whew, I'm already sweating. Got the bikes ashore, got them built, got my shoes on. Now, let's get across town.
Hello,
Howdy.
it's Lou, nice
Jobbo.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Biker gang. I know.
Yeah, lots of that. You'd stay fit always starting your ride with a massive climb in the heat. That's sick! Yeah. You shred, man!
It's like actual dirt.
Oh, that was slippy.
See what you mean?
gets even tighter.
Ooh, in the trench. Whoa! You okay?
Oh, this is crazy. Yeah. How's that, my dude?
That was loose. I don't think I took my fingers off the brakes the whole way down.
Oh, there you go. Everyone's on TV.
Pretty gnarly in there. Whoa, well done.
I got this awesome trail ride right by the ocean. It's been sick, fun crew to ride with. Everyone's hopping off stuff, doing wheelies. Exactly how I like to ride. What a spot. Been absolutely legit, Miss Jim.
Well.
Ladies.
High fives. You're calling a lady. Awesome, thanks so much. That was rad.
Hi, legend. That was awesome. Thanks for having us.
And I hope your arm's okay.
Oh, yeah, that was my bad.
Buonasera from Gioia Maria. We're currently on the north coast of Sicily, and right now we're about 7 weeks ahead of this week's episode.
We're super stoked on this video where we get to sail to our first biking destination.
In next week's episodes, we will be showcasing more of the trail network in Omiš and also interviewing Miro, the founder of Coast Riders.
We want to give a massive shout out to all our new subscribers, or if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. Also, give us a thumbs up, that'd be awesome if you appreciate our footage.
Yeah, grazie mille, ciao!
Ciao!
Whoa!
Ready?
Buonasera from Gioia Maria. We're calling...
Back to the start. Okay, we're low on battery. Let's go.